everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we are diving into a recipe that's perfect for the cozy fall season: spiced lemon blueberry cake. This isn't just your typical lemon blueberry treat. We have added a touch of cinnamon and nutmeg to bring in those warm autumn vibes. And guess what, guys? We are keeping it simple by using bottled lemon juice so you can skip the zesting and still get that delicious citrus flavor. It's a cake that feels like a cozy hug with every bite. So let's get baking and bring a taste of fall right into your kitchen. Let's get started. In a bowl, I have all-purpose flour, and to that, I'm gonna add baking powder, baking soda, salt, along with cinnamon and nutmeg. Now use the whisk to combine all the dry ingredients until they are well mixed. Once done mixing, set aside and move on to work on wet ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk the melted and cool butter along with the sugar until well combined. Now we're gonna add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. When making this cake, it's so simple, guys, that you don't need anything fancy. Just a bowl and the whisk will do the trick, but if you prefer, feel free to use a hand mixer to make it even easier. Stir in vanilla extract and lemon juice. Okay, guys, what's your favorite fall dessert? Let me know in the comments. Now it's time to combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with buttermilk. Start and end with the dry ingredients. For this cake, guys, you will want to mix the batter gently to keep it light and fluffy. When adding the dry ingredients and buttermilk, mix on low speed or by hand until everything is just combined. This should only take about 30 seconds to 1 minute for each addition. Our batter looks good. Now it's time for us to add the blueberries. But first we're gonna toss the blueberries in flour to help keep them from sinking to the bottom of the cake as it bakes. The flour coating creates a little grip that helps the berries stay suspended throughout the batter, ensuring every slice has that perfect burst of blueberry flavor. Add the blueberries to the batter. Then use a spatula and gently fold them in. Over mixing here can cause the blueberries to break and turn the batter purple. Okay, now it's time to pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Gently smooth the batter out to the edges of the pan with a spatula, making sure it's spread evenly for an even bake. Finally, sprinkle a handful of blueberries over the top of the batter for a beautiful fruity finish. They will add a burst of color and extra flavor as the cake bakes. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. I just pulled out the cake from the oven. It baked for 50 minutes. We're gonna let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Once it's cooled, now comes the best part, guys. Slicing into this beautiful cake. Each piece is packed with cozy cinnamon and nutmeg, a refreshing hint of lemon, and those juicy blueberries on top and throughout. I can't wait, guys, to dig in and savor every bite. And there you have it, guys, a cozy spiced lemon blueberry cake. Thanks for baking with me, and don't forget to let me know how yours turns out. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my